Hello and welcome to Train Symphonetic and the first of many parts of her Ballast Spreaders. In this episode I'll just be showing you what come in the pack. Some you need to assemble, some are already assembled, and just quickly walk you through what you get in the pack. So if you stay tuned, I'll take you through what I have. These are the four types of ballast spreaders I have been able to find. I have seen another one about, but I haven't been able to buy it as I didn't have any money on me when I saw it at the suppliers. But I have a 3D printed one bought from a model railway show. I have a green scene one again bought from a model show, and I have the same people who made the static grass cutter. I have this one which is a Prosy one, which claimed to be the first company out with it, and then I got this Golden Valley Hobby one. So these are the four which I've been able to get my hand on. But there's still another one out there, but I don't know who make it or any of that detail. I just know that it's more colourful than these, apart from that one. I'll now pause the camera and go and do an unboxing for each one. This is a 3D printed one, and as you can see, layer upon layer of material. You've got 2 slots there for the track, 3 holes for the ballast. Inside you put the ballast and it comes through those holes. It's pretty smooth in there, but could be smoother. So you put your ballast in there and then just run it along the track like that. This looked like it had the biggest capacity, but I don't know how well it will perform. But it's nice and light, and the grooves for the rails have been done very nicely there. But as I said, it's 3D printed, so will be an interesting one to try. This one here is from Green Scene, and you can see I have actually used it. It's sold just like this, and you can see it's laser cut plastic which have been assembled for you. Your ballast goes in there with a clear instruction arrow, and then you've got your 3 holes there, and then you've got the grooves for the track. And what makes this different to everybody else is you've got double groove. You've got where about the track go, and then where about the track go onto the plastic, so that should give you a much nicer coverage. It's a bit heavier than the 3D printed one, and it's very nice feeling, and I have dropped it a few times and there's no damage to it. And it's just a nice little unit. This is the Prosy one, and they claim to be the first manufacturer of it. It come in a nice bag, and you've got an instruction sheet. I bought this from the Batman stand at a show. So you have a label with a picture of it, and then you have the normal safety stuff, and this is made in Turkey. I don't know what the letter E means on it. And then it's in a nice reusable bag. You've got a nice instruction manual, and then you have the unit itself. So the instruction manual first. Really simple. Place a ballast spreader on the track and fill with a proper model grade gravel, then slide the ballast spreader slowly on the track, evenly refilling as necessary. So you get to instruction. So this looked very much like the green scene one on the outside, but it's bigger. There's no arrow showing which way to fill it, and the grooves at the bottom is just a single groove, but the green scene one have an indent, so that would just avoid around the track. Again, you've got your 3 holes, and it's been glued together, it looked like, and it's just a little bit bigger, but it will be interesting to see in the next episode how they perform against each other. This is the last one of the 4, and it's a Golden Valley hobby one. I got this one from Gauge Master, but I have seen it on many other websites. Unlike the other one, it doesn't come made, so you get all the bits in there, and hopefully instructions. Yes, you do. So I'll do a quick assembly of this, and then tell you how it goes. This is the Golden Valley Hobbies one. It has the largest hopper, and it has some brushes to spread everything out. It go over the track and it pulls. It was a bit hard to actually assemble, especially these brushes here, but it will be interesting to see how it compares, as you can fit the largest one in there without any problems. So that have the largest holding capacity, but I don't think it will be that good on slopes and corners because it's so long. But you've got your ballast area there, and your brushes and your knockout for your track, which have the same knockouts as the green scene one. It was a bit of a pest to assemble, but hopefully that will be made up with the quality of the spreading from it. That was the first unboxing and general first thought of these 4 spreaders. Next time I look at these, I'll try them on a straight piece of track and see how they all spread. And then after that, I'll see what else I can do with it, as I want to test them on corners and on an incline, so that will be additional episodes. But for today, this is it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. I will get back to these pretty soon, so like I said, make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for your time. Richard.